Now, former Kiambu County Governor Ferdinand Waititu will remain in custody after the Director of Public Prosecution on Wednesday opposed his fresh bail application. The DPP opposed Waititu's bail application, arguing that the matter had already been decided by the same court, rendering the renewed request inadmissible. Waititu will remain under custody until the 23rd of April, when the court shall rule on whether to renew his appeal.
In what seems like a blow to Waititu, the Milimani High Court, led by Lady Justice Lucy Njuguna, has ruled that the former Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu is to remain under custody until the 3rd of April 2025, when the court shall rule on whether to amend his appeal. The application was objected by the Director of Public Prosecution, DPP, with reasons that the application had been filed earlier and rejected by the same court, and stating that granting the prayer would offend the rules of the criminal procedure.
The last applications of 14th of March, in which we were inter alia seeking a supplementary petition dated 11th of March 2025, yes, to be deemed as duly filed. Yes. There was an objection by the DPP, yes, on the grounds that this matter having been admitted, the appeal having been admitted, yes, the petition of appeal can only be amended. All that we did is to add the additional grounds, raising the supplementary in the amended petition of appeal. So that one has been done. Of course, we are taken aback by the fact that things that ordinarily have always been routine, we have grounds of objection. Therefore, unless the DPP has a change of mind.
Waititu had earlier filed an application seeking to be released on bond as he continues serving his jail term. This is after he was convicted of graft and consequently charged to serve 12 years jail term or pay a fine of about 53 million Kenyan shillings. Lady Justice Lucy Njuguna today instructed Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka and lawyer Eugene Wamalwa, Ndegwa Njiru, Wilfred Nyamu and Jeremy Ndegwa to file written response following the DPP's objection to Waititu's bail.
As long as you file your submissions of time, maybe we can have a measure to confirm parties have filed, yeah, so that I give a date. Yeah, just to be sure. Huh? Because the problem I get is, yes, that when I give a date for ruling, parties don't file submissions on time. When I've done my ruling, yes, a day before, that is the time a party is filing submissions.
The former governor was sentenced to 12 years in prison or pay about 53 million after he was found guilty of conflict of interest in 588 million shillings graft case, and similarly barred from vying for any political seat for a period of 7 years. Oching Cynthia, KUTV.